Hiya, I'm at the Pier head. Hang on, I'm just trying to fix something that's okay. I think it's nice that the Lambanana is being painted in the Ukraine colours, ready for Eurovision. I've just had hot chocolate in the Fab Four cafe and I wasn't really impressed today, which I'd never thought I'd hear myself saying that. I don't know, it was different. I've put it, I videoed it on the end of the what you call it before, but wasn't impressed. But maybe it's just me today. Right, I'm gonna do the floating earth. There's another big bird. I might as well get on while I'm here. Canning Dock looks lovely, doesn't it? Look at that. With a barge coming through. Canal boat, whatever you want to call it. Doesn't that look lovely? And there's the ferry just gone out. Across the Mersey. Right, I'm going to go across now to the Roycal dock and show you the floating earth. Looks amazing, doesn't it? Love the reflections. Just watch it go under the bridge. Look at those reflections, wow. I've just took a picture and might send it to the account. I took a few there, so I'll decide which one I'm sending. I'm just loving the reflections. This is Canning Dock. Well, at least I've showed you two of the birds. KYIV, Soloveiko, Songbird. I don't think I zoomed in on the other one, did I? I'll do it another time. This Soloveiko came from Kyiv, the capital of Ukraine, a cradle of Kyiv and Rus.Kyiv is one of the oldest cities in Europe. Founded more than 1,500 years ago, over the centuries it's been the centre of trade, religion and politics, playing a pivotal role in shaping the culture and history of Ukraine. So yeah, it's lovely, isn't it? It's beautiful. Songbird. So one day I'll come back and do all of the birds scattered around the floor. I think I've done enough today. Yeah, of course, on the other one I just did this side, didn't I? I didn't realise the other side said something about the birds, so I will do that another day. That's beautiful. Right, let's show you the floating earth. I'll get closer to this, obviously. But I made up my batteries last time because in between videos today I've been putting my power bank in, so it's not gone less than 69%. It probably has now, like, because that's a nightmare for me if it goes below, because I need my battery. So Liverpool wheel. So I'll just stick the power bank back on when I've finished videoing. So yeah, this is the Albert Dock, which you've seen many times. I've showed you loads and loads of times. So calm, isn't it? So that looks amazing, doesn't it? I'll probably upload this one when I get home because I've got loads of data. I think I could supply you with data. I've got tons of data. Don't use it as often outside. But it's whether my battery will hold out. It's just so relaxing listening to that music. I'm loving the reflection there.
Believe that Earth is a spaceship. You can't avoid the comparison between Earth looking as a finite object in front of your eyes. And your own spaceship, which is closed with limited resources, all humankind being part of the same unique, is a spaceship. You can't avoid the comparison between Earth looking as a finite object in front of your eyes.
God, it's mesmerising. Just watching it floating. So beautiful. If you're in Liverpool, you've got to come and see this. I could stay here all day. Right, so we'll read it all out because there are people waiting. But if you want to screenshot it, Floating Earth, artwork by Jerram. I will wait until I get home anyway to do this because I want to put some information in. I can't actually read it, the lights reflecting. I was over there. Yeah, there were so many people waiting to read the information. So I'll upload this at home and put some of the info in the description. I'll just go to Snow with the live building. Right, I think I'll finish off here anyway. Made up of saw this now though. Instead of waiting. Oh, it is Friday. What am I saying? It's Friday today. Do you know what? Today I was coming anyway to do this today, wasn't I? Oh, I'm losing my days. Because me and Angela actually saw them pumping this up the other day, ready for today. I took tons of pictures, so I'll put some on my community page, I think. Right, I'm going to go home now, and I'll upload this when I get home.